Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate a beautiful woman in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. I'm going to start with /imagine command first, and then I'm going to write down my composition, which is going to be a portrait. And then as a medium, I'm going to write down photography, since you want a photorealistic image. And now I'm going to write some physical attributes like hair color, eye color, etc. And then I'm going to write down beautiful woman. And now I'm going to stylize this. So I'm going to start with writing my lighting setting, which is going to be a soft lighting. So I'm going to write that down. And now I'm going to add some keywords to make this photorealistic. And let's hit enter to generate. And here's our image. And that's basically how to create a beautiful woman in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.